All right, in today's video, we are going to go over how to create a birthday flow. This is part of my series of Klaviyo tutorials. You can go check out the playlist for it. I'm going to be doing lots of these videos, so you can check them out and learn from my perspective. My name is Max. I'm the founder of RevScale. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's get it. First thing you got to do is create a pop-up and add in an option to select birthday, right? So do email opt-in. There's plenty of blocks you can do here. Month, day is the block that you're going to want to do. So it would be like this, I believe. Profile property would be, yeah, birthday. That's pretty much it. So if you were to add a step on your email opt-in, you could click step, personal information, add the step, and it kind of does it for you automatically. So that's pretty simple enough, right? Okay, if you go to, this is a canceled Klaviyo account, so I'm just like messing around with it because it looks like they had a birthday flow already. If you do not have any data for birthdays that are attached to any profiles, then you cannot trigger or have the profile property pop up for someone's birthday. Just like the add to cart, viewed product, most metrics, like the expected date and next order, these triggers, these segments, all of them don't pop up unless, the data's there. So make sure the data's there, right? So you can't create this flow until you have an actual birthday sign up. So keep that in mind, okay? So you'll create the birthday sign up form or add it to a step or add it alongside other information you're collecting on the pop-up. Set it live, collect that information, and then let's make the flow. So let's go to flows, create flow. Let's just build our own. Let me move this. Birthday. Let's create that flow. Okay, we'll go to date property. That birthday flow trigger, this date property, this will not show up unless you have this date already. So keep that in mind. Clicking it. Do you want it to happen before or do you want it to happen on their actual birthday? Let's do on. Let's repeat this yearly because it's their birthday. So we're not going to do this every month, obviously. Next. Okay, so it's going to get triggered on the date property, which is their birthday date at 12 p.m. local time. And it's going to happen once a year. Click save, confirm and save. So what should you do for the actual, flow, right? Happy birthday. Happy B-Day. Enjoy this special treat. Secret savings inside. Maybe you want to do a unique discount code and say, 30% off within 48 hours, expiration, or buy one, get one free offer, or even like a free gift or something with purchase. A lot of options you can do here. I don't have any examples. It's not a flow that I typically do, but I definitely see why people would want to do it. If you're a big enough brand, you're trying to get any revenue possible from email, and it kind of makes sense. Like it's an on-brand thing. Maybe it's like a gifting brand even. Or something like similar, like a treat brand or a feel-good brand where the customer likes to feel rewarded, right? Then a birthday flow could make sense, right? I mean, anyone could really utilize the birthday flow, any brand to varying degrees. So yeah, I mean, this is probably my shortest video. It's just so easy to just show you and set up, and it's somewhat effective. It's not like a welcome flow series or anything, but it will produce some revenue. Like I said, I don't usually do this for clients, but that doesn't mean it's not a good flow or it's not an effective flow. It doesn't create additional revenue for brands. So yeah, that's the birthday flow. Smash the like button, smash subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought. Yeah, simple, straightforward birthday flow. Thank you.